Alright, you're welcome to Mega Profit. I'd like to continue our course on candles here. Alright, we've discussed in our previous class or in my previous video on the formation of a Japanese candlesticks. The formation of a candlestick. Alright, now we want to look at candlestick. We're heading deeper, okay? We're heading deeper. We want to classify candlesticks. Alright, now we have the very first one here. Remember, the white color represents bull, and the black color represents the bear. White color represents the buyers and the black color represents sellers. Okay, normally we know bulls as with the coloration of what? Of green. So we in this PowerPoint page we're using white for green, when we are using black for red. Now the first one I want to look at is spinning top. Spinning top. So this is how a spinning top looks like. Okay, this is for the bull, this is for what? The bear. Now what is a spinning top? It is a Japanese candlestick with a long upper shadow. This is a long upper shadow, okay, long lower shadow. This is the long lower shadow, okay, and a small real body. And a small real body. Where is the small real body? This is the small real body. So you see, the top from here to here is what? High. The wicks is high. The upper wicks is high. Okay, here to here is high. Then from here, the lower wicks from here, like I did say, we call it wicks or shadow. From here to here is also what? High. But it has a small body. The same thing on that of what? The bear. The difference is the color. Okay, so we said that it is called what? A spinning top. It is called what? A spinning top. Okay, so we can still go and identify what? The spinning top in our chart. Okay, now let's go and identify a spinning top in our real trading chart. Now I've come to our real chart here. Okay, this is a real chart here. Now let's begin to look out for spinning top that has an upper shadow long and lower shadow long, okay, and a small body. A small body. So this is what we are looking out for here. No, this is what we are looking out for here. This is what we are looking at. So let's go to the chart and look for it. So let's look for it here. For the purpose of learning. Okay, look at it. This is spinning top for the bull here. The candle color here is green. So this is called a spinning top. A spinning top. So what happens to a spinning top? Let's go further in our learning. Let's know what happened to a spinning top. Okay. If a spinning top forms during an uptrend, this is usually means that there aren't many buyers left, and a possible reversal in the direction could occur. Okay, if it forms in an upper trend, so price is going up and a spinning top is formed. Okay, price is going up and a spinning top is formed at the top. Is also known as what? That we don't have enough buyers, we don't have enough strength, financial strength to push price higher. So anytime you see this and this happens, it's likely that price will turn down. So it is likely that when a candle is of a spinning top is formed in a bullish chart, when you begin to see it at that higher area, then price might likely drop lower. So you have to be what? Careful. Now let's look at this. If a spinning top forms during a downtrend means when price is going lower, this is usually means that there aren't many sellers left, and a possible reversal in the direction could occur. So it is a candle that when you see it, you need to be careful and you watch out for what? Reversal. And when you're watching out for a reversal, let's say you're selling and price is dropping, you're on profit, and you see a spinning top, what do? Okay, you need to pause. You need to take profit. Okay, and watch out what plays out next. So that is how to use a what? A spinning top. That is how to use what? A spinning top. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is called, of this candle, is called the Morobozu. The Morobozu. The word Morobozu translates to bird head or shaved head in Japanese. Morobozu. Morobozu. Look at it. Morobozu. Morobozu. So this is the white candle of a Morobozu. This is the black candle or the red candle of a Morobozu. Okay. Now, remember, there is no wicks at the top. There could be little or no wicks at the top. We could also have little or no wicks at the low. Okay. So here we could also have little or no wicks at the top for the bear candle and little or no wicks for the bear. So this is the representation of what? A Morobozu. Now, what is a Morobozu? How do we know this? So a Morobozu candlestick is a barred candle or shaved candle, means it has no shadow or wicks. Okay, no shadow or wicks at the top or low, but you could have little or no wicks. Sometimes you could have just little. So that wicks represent rejection, depending on where. If you see wicks at the top, it means rejection by the bears. If you see wicks by below, it means rejection, price rejection by the bulls. That's what it means. So depending on whether the candlestick's body is filled or hollowed, the high and the low are the same as its open or close. Okay, now I want us to go and identify a Morobozu in a real chart. Okay, now let's go. All right, let's look at the chart. Okay, appropriately, let's look at the chart. You can see from here, this is a Morobozu. This is a Morobozu here. Okay, this is a Morobozu. This particular one is a Morobozu. It just has little wicks up here. Okay, it's a Morobozu for the bulls. Okay, after the bulls, Morobozu means bullish continuation for the bulls. For that of the bear is bearish continuation. So it always gives us a signal that there is, we could have price going up. Okay, now look at Morobozu here. Okay, and what happened at the closure? Price tends to go up. Look at another Morobozu. Consecutive Morobozu candles. Look at this. This is another Morobozu. At the closure of this Morobozu candle, what happened? A bearish Morobozu that could not dominate this candle. Okay, the length is shorter, so they don't have, the bears do not have enough strength. Then another one opened here. Look at this one. It's complete Morobozu candle. This is a complete Morobozu candle. Bullish continuation. That is the bulls. We are moving. We are moving. We are moving. We are moving in price. We are moving in price. It's a show of strength. Okay, it means bullish continuations. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are winning. Let's go. Let's go. That's what it means. Okay, in candlesticks. That's a sign it gives to traders. Bullish Morobozu. Each time you see Morobozu in the middle of a chart, it means let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we are continuing moving higher. Okay, now let's look at here. You can see consecutive Morobozu here, Morobozu here, got Morobozu here, okay, Morobozu here, and price is still moving higher. You see, Morobozu here, Morobozu here, okay. Then what happened? Morobozu here, and there was a rejection of this particular candle. Then we dropped. Now look at what happened. Then little or no wicks at the top, little or no wicks at the low, but we have a Morobozu here, okay, Morobozu, because we have more of the candle than the wicks. Okay, we can still call it a Morobozu because a Morobozu is a candle that has little or no wicks at the top and little or no wicks below. Okay, so this is for Morobozu candle. This is for what? Morobozu candlestick. Okay, it says a white Morobozu candle contains a long white body with no shadow. The open price equals the low price, okay, and the close price equals the high price. What this means is price open here at this same place, that is where price also closed. The price opened here, and this is the same thing as what? The low of the price, okay, and price closed here. For this is for the bullish candle, price also closed here, and this is still the high of the candle. So here is the low of the candle, and that is still the open of the candle. Then here is the high of the candle, and this is the same place as the close of the candle. That's what we are trying to explain here. This means that the candle opens at its lowest price and close at the highest price. This is a very bullish candle, as it shows that buyers are in control of the entire section. It usually becomes the first part of the bullish continuation or bullish reversal pattern. Okay, a black Morobozu, that is for the bear, contains a long black body with no shadow. It opens, the open equals the high and the close equals the low. So where is the open for a bear candle? Bear candle opens up. So the open here is equal to the high. Then the close is also here. The close is also equal to the what? To the low. The low is the last place price got. So this is the lowest place, and this is the same place where price also, the candle also closed. That's the information I'm passing here. This means that the candle opens at its highest price and also closes at its lowest price. This is very bearish candle, as it shows that sellers controlled the price action and the entire section. It is usually implies bearish continuation. So that's what it means. Bearish continuation. The bears are in charge. The bears are in charge. So each time we see it and it closes, it means bears are taking dominant and price may tend to go more lower. So if you look at it now, you will also find out that this is the same thing. When you found out this here, what happened? Price continued to go what? Low. See? Continued to go low. When it formed here, what happened? Price went up. When it formed here, what happened? Price began to go what? Lower. Okay? Go lower. When it formed here, what happened? Price began to go up. Up. It formed here, rejected. You know, the bulls continued. So, this is how we can identify our Morobozu candle. Morobozu candle, very important. The Morobozu candle is a very important candle that tells us for the bulls a bullish continuation. For that of the bears, Morobozu candle also tells us a bearish continuation. Either you're moving at the top, more up or more low, depending on the color of the candle. Depending on the color.